Hello students, today here I am going to show you how to calculate arithmetic mean. And students, to calculate arithmetic mean, there are three types of series, not only for arithmetic mean but also for median, also for mode. Okay, we have three types of series, that is the individual series, discrete series, then continuous series. Okay, the question which I have taken here, that is the continuous series. Okay, and under individual series or under discrete series or under continuous series, we can use any one of these methods, that is the direct method, shortcut method, or step division method. Okay, any method you can use if it is not mentioned in the question clearly. If it is not mentioned the methods, then you can use any method. So here in this question I am going to use direct method to calculate arithmetic mean, that is the continuous series. Now you see the question here, calculate the average marks. Average marks, that is you have to calculate average. Average, that is the arithmetic mean. You remember students, the question may ask calculate the average, question may ask calculate the arithmetic mean, same thing. You see there are two columns given. One column is, that is the class interval, that is the marks given, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Okay, see the number is repeating here, right? So this is the continuous series. This is what? Continuous series. Okay, you see the left hand side numbers 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? And the right hand side 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, the left hand side one is called lower limit and the right hand side is called upper limit. Okay, now you see here the number of students given, 8 students, 12, 20, 25, 20, 10, 5. Okay, here 8 students got the marks between 0 to 10. Similarly, here 12 students got the marks between 10 to 20. So this is called frequency. This is called what? Frequency. So there are two columns given. Now, how you will calculate arithmetic mean under direct method? Okay, so that one I am going to show you here. Let's see. What is the rules first? How to calculate arithmetic mean under direct method? First rule, obtain the midpoint of each class and denote it by m. You don't understand? Let's see here. See the solution. What you have to do, students? First, you have to write here calculation of arithmetic mean. Then you have to write the name of the method, that is the direct method here. Okay. Then after this, when you will calculate arithmetic mean under direct method, you have to make 4 columns. How many columns? 4 columns. Okay. First column, see here. First column, that is the class interval. Okay. Then second column, frequency. Then third column, m. M means that is the midpoint, or you can say mid value. Okay. Then fourth column is, that is the fm. Okay. First column what? That is, you give the name x. Okay. Then second column you give the name f. F means frequency. Then third column you give the name m. M means midpoint. And then fourth column you give the name, that is fm. That is the product of fm, frequency, and what is that? Midpoint. Okay. The 4 columns you have to prepare. Got it? Now how you will calculate this one? How you will solve this one? Let's see here. In the question, see first, that is the given marks, that is the class interval. The same one you have to write here again in the solution. First column you give the name x, then 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like this you have to write. Okay. After this, in the question you see the that is the number of students given, that is frequency. So this frequency again you have to write here in the second column in the solution. Okay, 8, 12, like this, 20, 25, 20, 10, 5. Okay. Now what you have to do, all this frequency you have to add together. Okay. When we add all the frequency, then this is called n, or you can say this is called sigma f. Sigma f. Sigma means what? Sum of frequency. Sigma means what? When you total it, when you get the total, then this is called sigma. Okay. And then what is the denoted here? F. So you have to write here f. So you can use sigma f, or you can use n. Okay. Now, if you add all these, then you will get how much? 100. So 2 columns done. Now third column, what you have to do? Okay, third column, what you have to do? To obtain the midpoint of each class and denote it by M. You have to give the name M. Okay, M means midpoint. How you will find out midpoint? So let's see what you have to do. You know that, student, this is called lower limit and this is called what? Upper limit. The lower limit and upper limit, you have to add together and divide it by 2. Then you will get whatever the value you will get, that is called midpoint. That is called what? Midpoint or mid value. Okay. So how you will calculate this one? So let's see. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Then 0 plus 10 means what? 10 divided by 2. Then you will get what? 5. Right. So this is called midpoint or mid value. So see here, written. Similarly, this one and this one you have to add together and divide by 2. Then how much you will get? 10, 20 by 2. How much you will get? That is 10 plus 20, how much? 30 by 2. 30 and this one cut, how much you will get? 15. So see here, 15 written. Now, no need to do like this way calculate. Okay, what you have to do? Shortcut. Let's see. First you have to see here the difference. That is the lower limit. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What is the difference of this first line? 10, 10 difference, right? Second, that is the right hand side also you see 10, 10 difference, right? The difference is here 10 of class interval, right? So what you have to do, first number you got 5, then you add the difference of that 10. So 10 plus 5, how much? 15. The next one you write. After this 15, you add 10, then 25. Then 25 you add 10, 35. Then 35 you add 10, 45. 45 plus 10, 55. 55 plus 10, what is that? 65. Got it? So like this you have to do. Suppose here difference is 5, 5. So you add 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 like this way. Okay? So third column you understand? Now you see that is the fourth column, FM. What does it mean? F means that is the frequency, M means midpoint, right? So what you have to do? Multiply this midpoint by their respective frequency and obtain what? Sigma FM. Okay? So what you have to do? How you will calculate this one? F means what? That is frequency. M means what? That is midpoint. That means what? F into M. That means frequency and midpoint you have to multiply. And then you have to write here. So 8 and here midpoint 5. So 8 5s are how much? 40. Similarly 12 and 15. 12, 15 if you do multiply 180. 20 and 25 multiply 500. 25 and 35 875. 20, 45 900. Okay. Similarly 10, 55 550. 5 into 65, that is 325. Now you have to add all these. Okay, then you will get total how much? 3370. That is called sigma FM. Sigma means sum. Okay, total of what? FM. The FM here written, that one you have to write here. Okay, now this one done. Now you have to use the formula of direct method to calculate what? Arithmetic. When you calculate arithmetic mean, okay, under direct method, so what is the formula? Okay, let's see here. See, you are going to calculate what? Mean, right? Arithmetic mean, average, same thing. The mean symbol is what? See here, X, like this way, X and then bar. This is called what? Mean. This is called what? Mean. Okay, mean symbol is this one, X bar. Okay, now under direct method, when you will calculate arithmetic mean, the formula is like this. Okay, mean equal to sigma FM, that is this one total divided by this n. Okay, so sigma FM by n. Okay, so what is the total of this? 3370. So 3370 divided by n. N is how much? 100. So now you cut this one, 0 0 cut. How many zeros left? 1, only 1. So under this 33.7. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to calculate what? Arithmetic mean under which method? Direct method. I hope you understand. Okay. So thank you for today.